Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the filter cover in your LG dryer, you will need a Phillips screwdriver or drill driver with a Phillips bit. Unthread the 3 screws securing the filter cover and remove it. Pull out the filter, then depress the 2 tabs to release the filter holder from the cover. To install the new filter cover, hold the flap down on the filter assembly and then align and snap the assembly in place onto the cover. And then reinstall the filter. Next, align and slide the assembly into place within the dryer. Rethread the 3 screws to secure. And your dryer should be ready for use.